Westermans here with a Baileigh 160 ton press, hydraulic press. Machine's 3-phase. Obviously chains are there, no other tooling offered with this machine. Obviously it can be offered as an option if required. Got the pump there, manual pump also. The bed on these obviously slide free spin from left to right. Quick function up and down. More details available on westermans.com on this and other machines. Delivery can be arranged or collection are welcome. Obviously we ship worldwide. This can be shipped overseas if required. Like I say, more details available from westermans.com on this and other machines. Thank you for looking.